What's up, YouTube? Cobbard Outdoors here. Everything outdoorsy. And it's time to go camping again. So today we're going to Delaware State Park. It's about, I guess about 45 minutes from downtown Columbus. So it's a little toasty today, but tomorrow it's supposed to drop and not get any higher than 72. So I guess fall is coming. See you when I get there. This might be a good place to pitch my tent now. Or we got a little trail, I see. And yeah, can't do it there. It's too close to the fire. So yeah, it's probably gonna have to be right here. All right, so let me get everything out. But this is our campground. I'll touch base with you all in a little bit. All right. All right, YouTube. So we got the tent up. I got the cot. I have my sleeping bag. I have a foam mattress. So I should be sleeping very comfortable tonight. It's only going to get down to 62, so I don't think I'm going to need my Mr. Heater, but I'm bringing it in the tent just in case. Let's see. I got my little table set up over here. I'm a little bummed out. We don't have any internet out here, no signal, because I was just going to put my phone right here and watch Monday Night Football. And then you can see I got my little Bose speaker that I could have pumped it through, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. So this is my setup. Got enough water that's enough water for 2 days. And they have a place where we can replenish the water. Got my lantern up there. And you all are very familiar with my gazelle tent by now. So we're about to well, we actually was gonna go shooting, but the range is closed. The outdoor range is closed. So we just got back and we're getting ready to start this fire. So I'm gonna go help Willie with this. What's up there, YouTube? I don't know if you can see, we got a harvest moon. It's a full moon, but it's probably looking just bright to you, but it's absolutely breathtaking. Now it's time to head on back to the camp. So I'll show you. This place is pretty nice. It's pretty clean, but it's like walking into the abyss. Now, mind you, I just turned off my light. So this is what it looks like. You can hear the sounds. If you look up, you can see. But yeah. Now I'm using my little headlamp that's attached to my around my head, and now you can see what I'm looking at as I'm walking. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? Really exhilarating. I like to turn the light off though. Yeah, that's crazy. If you see that little flicker, that's our campfire. Ooh, wait a minute. Where am I walking? I just walked into the grass. Okay, now I can see it. I can see the truck. This is nuts. So you think you want to come camping? All right. Willie, where you at?
Here.
Oh, I can hear him, but I just can't see him.
All right, it is quite dark out here, and I love it because it is peaceful. And I'm out here with Charles Cobbert Jr., who's over in the tent across the way there. And we have this wonderful little campfire that's kicking. One of the things that has bubbled up is a little bit of rain shower, which we were expecting, so no surprise there. For the most part, we are loving this, absolutely, and enjoying ourselves here at Delaware State Park.
All right, YouTube. It's about 10 o'clock. Just had something to eat. And it's not been an eventful day today. We tried to go to the range to shoot, and it was closed. So we came back, started a fire, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's time to go to bed. I can't get a signal for Monday Night Football. I guess I'll find out who won whenever I get home. So y'all have a great night. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Well, good morning, YouTube. First night, it rained all night. Yeah, I got some good sleep. Unfortunately, it's gonna rain all day today. So it's either hunker down, or if I can get a break, 20-minute break in the rain, pack up and go home. There's no end in sight. There's no end in sight. And it's just raining like crazy. My tent held up 99%. Let's say 99% because I got just a small puddle right there. But other than that, I got spotty Wi-Fi or spotty cell service because where we're at. So just trying to stay busy, as busy as you can by yourself in a tent. So if I get a break, I'll show you me trying to pack up in about 20 minutes, but I don't think we're gonna get that break, but we'll see. So more to come. All right, YouTube, wanted to give you all an update. It's 1:10 in the afternoon. It's still raining. This is a wash today. Or this camp is a wash today. But I'm still here. I'm still here. So I guess I'll watch a movie on Amazon Prime and just relax. What else can you do? Enjoy the rain hitting the tent. Maybe take a power nap or something. But that's the update. See you soon.
Right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You saved our life. If it wasn't for you, we'd be at the bottom of that cliff.
Alright, YouTube, so the mountain house was pretty decent. The beef stroganoff. And as you can hear again, it started back raining again. We had about 2 hour, maybe 2.5 hour break. And I think they said it's going to get rough. Not rough, but heavy. From like 7 to 9, somewhere around there. Then taper off in the morning when we leave. So I'm getting ready to take her down, and I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning, YouTube. It is morning 3, and it's time to pack up. It got a quite brisk. No, it got cold last night, so I had to use the Mr. Heater, and kept me warm till about 5 something in the morning, and then it shut off. Gonna go out there. I think Willie's getting ready to make some coffee, and then start tearing stuff down. So I'll see you all in a little bit. One last morning fire before we leave, just to warm up. My site is down. He's taking care of his. My truck is 98% packed up. All I gotta do is get this canopy down inside, and we're gone. So, if you're still here, hit that like, share, subscribe button. Thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it on these adventures of mine, and look forward to providing more content for you. So with that being said, Macabre Outdoors, everything outdoorsy. Until next time.